welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacey Jones, and today I'm here with my sister Erinn.
Hello.
And we're gonna do a special face mask Friday for you guys. So we're gonna be doing face masks every Friday, showing new ones. Not we, hopefully my sister can be in a lot more of them, but I'm gonna be doing them. But I thought for the very first one, since I'm here in Tucson, I should have her on. So today we're gonna be reviewing Farmacy, which this is the first time for me trying, and you as well. And let's just get started. All right, first what we're gonna do is pull back the hair. We're gonna use bandanas. My sister's got some cute ones. I've got a blue one, got a black one. Are you gonna do the Betty Lee bandana special?
No, I'm gonna do the Tupac.
Okay. Betty Lee's our mom, by the way. All right, so now that we've pulled back our hair, we're gonna take off our makeup. And normally I would recommend using a cleanser, maybe even a double cleanse to make sure everything is stripped from the face. But we're just gonna use these Juicy Bamboos. I talked about that in my latest favorites video. You guys can check it out right here. And we're just gonna wipe off everything. These, I love these so much.
They smell good.
Right? They smell like high C punch. Oh, so good. Key with doing face masks is to really make sure that everything is off the face, especially those hydrating masks, sheet masks as well. If you find that you break out sometimes when trying masks, just make sure that you've thoroughly cleansed the face so that there's no makeup that's going to get trapped and pushed into the skin. The thing I like about these two is that they're some of the non-toxic face wipes tend to be a little dry or too oily. Like the RMS ones are way too oily for me, the coconut oil. I feel like I have to wash my face again, and so I like having these on a flight with me or when I travel, but I definitely recommend not using these every single day. You need to cleanse thoroughly and open your pores, clean them all out, and but these are okay for traveling or every once in a while. And so when I tend to use these makeup wipes, I also like to do one little check where I take the Rosella Witch toner. I like to spray it on, you can do a cotton round or a cotton rectangle. Here goes this stuff. And then just kind of check one more time. Up, see, right away, there's still some makeup I didn't get. Or sometimes it's just not gonna come out and you just need a little bit more. I'm just gonna pull out anything else extra, little insurance. I've got it all. Yikes. What about you, Sissy? Yeah, same. Coming off. And then the next step that I always do before any face mask, that's including sheet masks, especially a clay mask, is to do layering of a toner. You can do the 7-layer skin, which you can also watch my video, will be right here. But I think for me, I'm just gonna do 2 layers. How's your skin feeling today?
That's good.
Yeah, so we're just gonna do 2 layers. What I like to do with this is I take the top actually off and I pour a little bit into my hand. Pour a little. Rub it a little bit, and then I press it, starting from the top, kind of doing a little mini face massage. I would just press the toner into the skin. This is going to prep the skin and get it ready for anything that you put on after. So what I like to do, and I say it a lot on my skincare Sundays, if you had a dry sponge and you put anything on top, it's just gonna sit on top of that sponge. But if you get that sponge wet, everything else that you put on the sponge is going to seep into that sponge and it's going to absorb a lot better. So what we're doing is basically treating our face, our skin, as a sponge. So you wait for it to dry just a second and then you just put another layer. A little bit in the hand, throw it, and then just press it on the skin. Let's quickly talk about this Farmacy Vitamin C mask. This one is supposed to be really special because it's vitamin C charged. It goes on green and then it changes to a lavender color as you rub it in with the vitamin C capsules that are gonna burst. This is $38 at Sephora and it's on their Clean at Sephora list of products. And it contains all naturally derived ingredients, free of formaldehyde, free of parabens, free of artificial dyes. So those colors are not there because of little artificial dyes that they put in, and it's not tested on animals. It's activated with chicory acid, which is an AHA, and I'm believing that it's derived from the echinacea since there's a picture of echinacea right on the front. It also can be from chicory root, but I'm assuming it's the echinacea right here. Let's see some of the benefits that it says on the box. It says this mineral-rich clay removes excess oil and impurities to visibly diminish the appearance of pores while a blend of fruit-derived AHAs and vitamin C brightens and clarifies. All right. It says also that we should massage in circular motions onto the skin, and that we should leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm thinking, let's just do 5 minutes. I think that's really important whenever you try a new mask. You never know the ingredients and how sensitive your skin's going to be. And sometimes when you're doing detoxifying masks, you can see a little bit more things going on the skin that you're not really used to. So, you ready to do this, Lacey?
I am.
All right. So let's just, for some reason I always think it's easier to open from the bottom of these. So this is what it looks like. So it comes out as a lavender color.
It smells good.
Does it? Ooh, yeah, it does. And we're supposed to use circular motions onto the skin. Normally with masks, I would do also my neck and my décolleté, but I feel like just for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna stick with the face. And also since this is my first time trying this, I don't wanna put it all over. We're going out tonight for my sister's birthday dinner. You excited?
I am.
I'm going to Vivace. It's a really yummy Italian place and they're very good with allergies, so it should be fun. You feeling good?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna leave this on for 5 minutes and then we're gonna wash it off and let you know what our thoughts are. All right guys, well we've just washed our face. We put a little bit of toner as well, the Rosella Witch and the serum that we have for CSM, just to kind of hydrate really quickly, especially when you use a clay mask. It can be very drying to the skin. Me personally, I have dry skin. Sissy, what kind of skin do you think you have?
I have normal skin.
Normal skin. Yeah. So yeah, in general, just I think any kind of hydration after anything that's going to be a little drying is important. So our final thoughts. Erinn, what did you think about this mask?
I like the smell. I probably should have used a little bit more so it'd be easier to go on. I felt it tighten right away, which I liked. And it was easy to take off too.
Definitely. It washed off really easy. I felt the same. It really did tighten the pores. I have a little blemish because I was sleeping with Erinn's Weimaraner Presley and he got a little bit on the pillow, which I didn't mind, but yeah, so this always kind of happens. So I did notice it kind of brought that blemish to a head, which that's great already, like right away. It definitely was tight, washed off easy, and I like it. I feel like I already have a brightness to my face. I do love that about vitamin C. I think it really does bring out a really nice shine to the skin and just kind of allows the skin to just liven up a bit. So would you buy this, Sissy?
I would, yes.
Yeah, for $38, I think you get a lot out of this. You can get a lot of face masks and it's definitely worth it. It is non-toxic and clean, so you know you're not putting any harmful chemicals on your face. So thumbs up from me.
Thumbs up.
Yay. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Give it a like if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below what your favorite face masks are or any face masks you'd like us to try. Hopefully I'll get my sister on some more. Come visit up in Vegas, or I'll be coming down to Tucson a lot more. And we'll see you guys next Friday.